I cannot believe this happened, and this is a horror story now. I should not say that. Hi you guys, so I am out of focus. So this is my first vlog, as in home vlog. I vlogged my Goa trip before this. If you haven't watched, go and watch it. It's not that great. I should not say that. So it is 3:25 right now. It's supremely late to start a vlog, I know, but that is because my camera was charging, and right now I need to, like, both my camera batteries. It is extremely windy. It is extremely windy. I'll show you what's happening out there. But both my camera batteries were charging, and now it's done. So now I'll start filming and shooting. I'm touching my hair a lot because it's just not behaving. The lighting is not good. I think it's going to rain. And it started to rain. So it already started to rain. Look at that. So yeah, it is already raining. So anyway, I have to shoot this. So I'm going to shoot one video for Trail, and I'm not sure if I'm going to shoot for Insta today, but let's just see. But first I'm going to wash my face and I'll take you with me. So currently I'm using this hand wash. It's from Bath and Body Works, Fiji White Sand. It smells so good. I was using Dettol before this, but my hands are so dry right now. I switched to this. And for my face wash, I always use this one as of now, and I love this. This is extremely gentle on the skin, and yeah, I really like and recommend this one. And for my face scrub, this one is my favorite. It's almost over and it's out of stock too, so I don't know, I'll be repurchasing this or something else, but I absolutely love this. So I've washed my face, and now I'm going to do a little bit of skincare before I get into my makeup, because I haven't done my morning routine. I currently do not have any morning routine also. So yes, let's just start some skincare. So I'll just show you guys what I actually do. I am not showing you my makeup because as of this point, it's not really a collection. It's just pile of makeup. Let me show you. So this is the condition of all my makeup right now. So I needed to buy one more wardrobe for it, and lockdown happened and I did not get the time. So everything is right now here. It's a mess. So I just use random stuff basically. So I'm gonna use this one. This is the Dot & Key Probiotic Light Gel. I just want something that hydrates my skin before I do makeup. Because normally what happens is, if I'm doing like more than one look, then my skin gets really dehydrated and I don't like it, and the makeup does not sit well. I think that's it. I'm not going to do much because it's kind of humid today. So now I'm going to take this Pixie Glow Mist and just spray it on my face. I have gained so much weight this lockdown and the past time that, like, literally I don't have any jaw anymore. And I'm just going to use some lip balm, lip gloss, whatever it is. This one is from Lancome. This is their Juicy Tubes. I really like this one. It's very shiny. So yeah, that I'm looking like a disco ball. So yeah, I'll see you after I did my hair. Sudden life update. This is my phone's flash. I was just wrapping up. Like, I was just getting done. I needed to shoot the intro and I was done, and the electricity went off. Like, now I don't know how long do I have to sit in this makeup prim and proper to shoot the ending. This is horrible. This is a horror story now.
2,000 years later.
So the light is here before it goes away. I want to shoot quickly, so that is what I'm doing. Today I'm done. I'm done with taking pictures for thumbnails and uploading stories and everything. And I don't know why I'm talking about Kylie Jenner. But yeah, so now I'm going to remove my makeup. My earring has fallen like 7 times. I'll remove my makeup. I'll sanitize all my makeup products with a spray, and that is what I do. Because it's not like only I am using these products. Obviously only I am using these products, but who knows where the germ is, and better to be safe. So I'll just do that and I'll show you guys what all I use to keep my space sanitized. So yeah, finally I'm done. I was talking to a friend. So as I was telling you guys that I have some sanitization things that I like to use. So one of them is this one. It's Pee Safe. I think all of you know what Pee Safe is. So I used to use this even before COVID was here, and I use it still, not necessarily on my bathroom, but even when you know, the lockdown was not there and people used to come, I made sure that every time people left, I'm using this on my toilet seat. It's just hygienic. It's not only because of COVID, but it's just to maintain your personal hygiene basically. So I really like this one. Now if you don't know what this is, I'll just explain it to you. So it has a nozzle. It is a very like pocket size, you know. You can actually fly with this. I always used to carry this and a pepper spray with me when I fly alone. So yeah, you can travel with this also. So all you had to do is shake it well, then spray on the toilet seat like 25 centimeters away, I guess that is what they say. Wait for 5 to 10 seconds and then do your business basically. I always use this. And of course, airport toilets, I never sit on that without doing this. And I think it's a very great product to use, you know. So you can actually use it on toilet seat, toilet tops, flush, doorknobs, all the bathroom stuff. You can actually use this. So if you're someone who cannot afford to stay home, like touch wood, I'm really grateful that I work from home, be it COVID situation or not, but I know a lot of people don't. Carry this. Carry safety measures with you all the time. Now we can't be unsure of things anymore. We have to take care of ourselves. So yeah, I just wanted to mention this product. So that is it guys. I think now I'm going to make some coffee for myself. I'm hungry. You my coffee, okay? So this is my coffee. It's bigger than my face. It's huge, I know, but I really enjoy coffee. And I think now I'm feeling like some black coffee. Now I'm going to enjoy my coffee, and I think I'm going to end my vlog here. Okay, bad lighting. So I think I'm going to end the vlog right here, and I'll see you next time. My face is supremely shiny right now, and yeah, I just need to work a lot. Yeah, I'll just see you guys next time. Give me vlogging ideas guys. I'm new to it. I have no clue what to vlog, and also I think I have no clue how to vlog. So yeah.